All right, now a word problem using the elimination method. If the Eiffel Tower and the Empire State Building were stacked on top of each other, oh great, a very realistic math problem, they would be 2,313 feet tall. If the height of the Empire State Building minus the height of the Eiffel Tower is 187 feet, how tall is each building? All right, as with the substitution word problems we did, you want to start off by labeling your variables, x and y. What do they stand for? So what are the two things they're asking you to find? So we want the height of the Eiffel Tower, which we'll call x, and y is the Empire State Building. So let's go back to the first sentence. So the Eiffel Tower, which we said was x, I'm writing x above it, and the Empire State Building, y, were stacked on top of each other. They would be 2,313 feet. So if you're stacking buildings on top of each other, very realistic again, what you would be doing is adding their heights together. Because you would have, I don't know if I can draw it, but the Eiffel Tower, then the Empire State Building on top of it. That looks nothing like the Empire State Building. So it'd be their total height. So x plus y equals 2,313. Now for the next sentence, the height of the Empire State Building, which we identified as y, minus the height of the Eiffel Tower, x is 187 feet. How tall is each building? Now that would be y minus x equals 187. However, for elimination, you want to have the variables on top of each other. So instead of x plus y, let's rewrite this equation below this one. But we're going to write it y plus x. So that way we can just add straight down. And the reason we're able to do that is x plus y is the same as y plus x. It's called the commutative property of addition. 2 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 2. It doesn't matter the order. So then we notice in this problem the coefficients are the same for the y, and they're the same and opposite for the x. So we can just add them together to cancel the x's. We get 2y equals exactly 2,500. When we add, of course you can use a calculator for that. And then we divide by the coefficient to get 1,250. So that's the height of the Empire State Building. All right, but we also have to find the Eiffel Tower, x. So we can plug 1250 back in to one of the equations. And I'm just going to pick this. I like this equation because it's using addition. Stupid pen. So x plus 1,250 equals 2,313. So 1250 is being added, so we will do the inverse operation and subtract. So it gets canceled out on the left side, and on the right side we have, I'm just going to do without a calculator, so 3, 6, 0, 1, 1,063. So that is the height of the Eiffel Tower. And we're done, and we can write the answer as an ordered pair. By the way, at the beginning of the problem, if you called the Eiffel Tower Y and the Empire State Building X, you would have gotten the same answer, but just reversed. That's totally fine, and is still correct.